So today we'll be checking out a model in a new community in Stuart, Florida, but they also build these homes in Palm Beach, Port St. Lucie, and Vero Beach. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Raphael Gonzalez and I'm a real estate agent that specializes in new construction. So if you're looking for a new home here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and reach out to me and I'll be able to help you. So here we have the Mystique model. The Mystique is going to give you 1,889 square feet under air and up to about 2,100. 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and you have a few different structural options to choose from to change this home to best fit your needs. It comes standard with an extra storage room in the garage that can be turned into an extra bed and bath. You can extend the great room, or you can put in pocket sliding doors that lead out to the lanai. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Stuart, Port St. Lucie, Vero, and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in this community. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. So I hope you enjoyed this home, and as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into South Florida, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.